Well, I was here a week ago. Now I'm back. And this time I decided to do a video, complete with circular saw noises. They're fixing some stuff here at the front gate. Oh, pleasant sound. I love how they made these cypress trees fit around the boards of this entrance boardwalk here. The boardwalk over a swamp. Ah, and the lovely sounds of circular saws. So this place has been a tourist attraction forever. They did glass-bottom boats back in 1878. There's a big pavilion here of storefronts and stuff, which I think was built back in its privatized days. All this I could be wrong about, but anyway, gonna go have lunch here. It's a state park now. I'm actually pretty glad it is. Springside Restaurant. Entrees for about $7 and change. We're gonna eat. My lunch partners ordered the Cuban, and so did we. Theirs are here first. Okay. Well, we're here in the middle of the dead of January, and things are still very bloomy in Florida. All right, I'll go take the boat ride now. You know, one big advantage we have today is the place is empty. I think half of everybody is scared away by 52 degrees, so but the weather's stellar. It's a beautiful sunny day. Board? I mean, all aboard. In we go.
Which side should I go on?
Whatever you want.
Should I go on your side or the other?
Here, go on the other side. Mom. Come out now so they
I'm gonna go this way.
No,
This indecision prevails.
Chris is.
I'm just going for it.
Side of the roof there.
We're getting the Coast Guard spiel
That
here.
is real glass. It is not like standard plexiglass.
Ian.
Please try not to drop any phones or cameras on. Do not turn phones on. Wait, This is one of the springs where they filmed Creature from the Black Lagoon. Yo Man, the official Creature, made his debut coming right out from under this ledge here, March 1st, 1954. It's called Creature Cave, 33 feet below us.
Moving down the river. It's very otherworldly here. Okay, here's a very old Indian canoe here.
So that's what they did. They sank it right there next to that rock formation. The University of Florida took that up to Gainesville where they studied it and carbon dated it back to the 1500s. I'm going to give you guys a little tour of what the extended tour is. I think I see an alligator or a turtle over here.
You might be able to see the gator in 4K 60 underneath that diagonal limb sticking out. And he's got a turtle right on his nose. Now we're a little closer to Mr. Gator. And if you look to the left on the diagonal line, there's 3 turtles. Gator's getting a lot of attention.
As long as he's on that log, he knows that gator's going to have a hard time getting a hold of him. He knows that's a turtle there, though. He didn't know that was what was crawling on him.
Manatee alert.
Oh my God.
There it is.
Brenda, you are seriously doing
Yeah, don't have an Ethan Allen number.
It's right there.
Are they out right now?
Everybody, we're on one side of the boat.
Spring bat we're going over top of.
Pretty stable boat if we all got on this side.
Really aren't supposed to come back here.
A lot of turtles over on that rock over there. I mean, that
That's a
log.
cormorant. Because it is a canvas top on it, and if it rains, you're gonna get wet. But it's not every hour, every minute.
Oh yeah?
This is the headwaters for the Silver River, so this is actually where the river begins right here. Producing more than 550 million gallons of water every 24 hours. That's enough water to fill 3, probably even 4 residential pools every minute. Still works here.
We're at
And he
Mammoth
said it was a
Spring
real
here.
anaconda. Except they were more concerned whether that snake was going to get away from them, and they were going to end up with a
Statue.
anaconda loose here, than they were whether the snake was alive or dead.
Coming into the dock. And the end of our journey. Out we go.
Thank you all very much. You guys have a great afternoon. Watch your step there as you do it. Thank you very much.
And exit all the way out to the old ramp. Okay.
Here's the architect who designed these pavilions here. And the design is called Sarasota Modern. A little World's Fairish sort of 60s look. Here's Mr. Lundy's creation, if I'm not mistaken.
What are these things?
Fish.
We've been to
Largemouth bass. We've kayaked.
Ew. Is this guy gonna eat me? Inside the little museum they have here, they've got one of the original foam rubber outfits from the Creature of the Black Lagoon. Seen here in all his creepy glory. I don't think this was a costume, it was more of something they drag along with a rope. So it's a lovely place, but the one thing you got to worry about is feeding the monkeys, or touching the monkeys, or petting the monkeys, because they'll make you sick. But nobody apparently has ever gotten sick from these little critters. Yeah, we're heading up the Ross Allen Island Boardwalk. And this goes over to an island, and it's a very pretty view from up here. Lovely river. Nice little walkway around the park here, the island as it were. We've seen snakes in here. Hope to see them again. Somebody said there was a gator here. Don't know whether we'll see that guy. And here's the ghost of Ross Allen Island, waving gently at us. Great natural wonder here. Future coal deposits. And we'll be part of them. Super peaceful, except when I talk.
Oh no, there's all kinds of them. Lady ferns and maidenhair ferns.
So that's our little tour of Silver Springs State Park. There's hardly any place in the world like it. Well, actually, by definition, there's no place in the world like it. But hardly any place anything remotely like it. Very pretty. Good night, everybody.